Hey guys, what's up? This is Corey. I wanted to go over my trades from today, Monday, October 15th, 2018. I hope everybody had a good start to the week today. First trade I'm going to talk about here is INO, Inovio Pharmaceuticals. They came out this morning with news of their preclinical Ebola drug, saying that their preclinical Ebola drug basically killed 100% of the virus, and which sounds like fantastic news, and it is. I guess potentially on the surface, it looks really good. But the thing about preclinical data is that it's very early, and it could translate to nothing basically in the human form when they start giving it to humans. In other words, usually preclinical data is in animals and or in test tubes, and really anything can kill Ebola, or anything can kill cancer for that matter in a test tube. Gasoline kills cancer in a test tube. Problem is, when you give it to people, it kills people as well. So, this could potentially be good or bad, but I knew from past experience that this would probably sell off. Also, they have $100 million at the market offering that was put out earlier this year. So I I thought it was a pretty good chance that they used some of this today, and I don't know for sure that they did, but it looks like it sold off pretty well throughout the day. So I took some short in the pre-market, covered into that first wash. Unfortunately, didn't really hold as long as I wanted to, but took a decent part of the move, so I'm okay with that. The other trade that I took today was EYPT. This EyePoint Pharmaceuticals, they actually got approval, FDA approval for one of their drugs. So it'll pop up here. So as you can see, it gapped up this morning on FDA approval news, and it also had a huge run up into this news. So I thought it was a pretty good chance that this news, it sold off from this news, just because it had such a run up into it. People were expecting it. I figured that it would be a sell the news event kind of thing. So I actually started in pre-market, got some into the bounce, and then into the next dip I kind of covered, just because I am not a full-time day trader. I had to go to a meeting for my day job, so I wasn't going to be able to keep an eye on it. So it actually turned out to be a decent cover because it bounced and came back on. Everybody went back green, but honestly, I could see this fading a few more days. I think it probably squeezed in the afternoon due to shorts covering, and I could see this coming back down to the threes before it potentially turns and starts climbing again. It just depends on how good this drug is, how large the market is, and I haven't done all of that research, so I'm not trying to trade this long term. Just take the predictable part of the move and kind of move on. But those are my two trades today, and I hope you guys had a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.